230 exhibitors occupying almost 350 booth spaces. We have over 660 buyers from 30 countries, such as Sweden, Oman, Yugoslavia, our Caribbean affiliates. Of course, we have many other buyers from our more traditional trading partners, such as the US, UK, and Canada.
Jamaica's Business Ministry is happy to be the title sponsor of the 48th staging of the largest exposition and trade show in the English-speaking Caribbean. My ministry is happy to partner with the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association and other sponsors in bringing Expo Jamaica to our exhibitors, buyers, and consumers. Expo Jamaica represents the best of us in Jamaica, and our sponsorship underscores the government's commitment to give its fulsome support to the entire business sector. Jamaica's Business Ministry and our 20 agencies, all the JAMPRAs, the Trade Board, the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority, Exim Bank, JBDC, all of them, committed to create an enabling environment that will see us grow exports and increase local and foreign direct investments into our country.
This is a true partnership between the government and the private sector, and this is a recipe for success in the future.
The Jamaica Manufacturers Association and Exporters Association, Expo, is an exciting, highly anticipated, and well-loved national event for the business community, and indeed for all Jamaicans. It is to expose the productive capacity, the innovation, the ingenuity, the creativity of Jamaican manufacturing. And I'm certain that as a result of this expo and the exposure that this broad-based manufacturing base of Jamaica will get, our manufacturing will increase even greater. We are seeing a resurgence of manufacturing. We take great pride in noting that we are seeing a 6% increase in the last statistics regarding the growth of the manufacturing sector. We're also happy that we're seeing significant interest from our international buyers in all areas, in distribution, from our retailers, hotel purchasers, potential partners in various manufacturing endeavors. There are several serious investors who are here, who have already struck business deals, but who are also here to see what else they can invest in.
I will continue to lead the charge to expand existing and find new markets for Jamaican goods and services by taking business delegations to different cities and countries. So, I have this charge for you. We must grow our exports exponentially.